Hello, my name's Robert Podorf. I'm lead developer for myebookmaster.com. It's a product and a service that lets you take your ebook from concept to making money from it, all within kind of one cohesive system, as opposed to having to learn a bunch of different things that all sort of have to work together. And it's just, we're lowering the barrier to entry for independent authors. So what I'm going to do is show you how to use our system to take your book from idea all the way through to the end. It's 3 steps, very easy to use. So you're going to start by going to myebookmaster.com, and I'll bring you to this page. And up here in the corner, you'll see a Sell Your Own Book. You'll want to click that. And here's the selling page. You can click Sign Up Now and start selling your book. Which will take you to the purchase page. And here you're going to type in all your email and stuff, and it'll create an account for you, or if you already have an account, it'll use that account. I'm going to use a fake Visa. I'm not speeding anything up, I'm not doing anything that you guys wouldn't be doing. Just to show you how easy it is that you can take your idea that you have right now. You may even have your book already typed up, and all you need to do is copy and paste it into here, which is sometimes really hard to do with some of the systems that are out there. And in fact, I can't even think of a system that is, this is going to be less than a 5-minute video, and you're going to be able to sell this book out to the public. So we're going to title the book, My Awesome Book. You can add co-authors and all that kind of stuff, and that's why the author is different from your account name. And I'm just going to use one of the sample pictures that XP comes with. You may not be a designer, and so you shouldn't be limited in your cover choices. And so because it's just basically a background, you can add text and stuff on top of that within the editor, and it's an easy way for everyone to be able to have sort of that cool cover. And but if you are a designer, or you know a designer, you can easily upload a fancy cover here, and it's going to look the same. It's going to port over to your book easily. And let's set a price, $100. If I'm making money from this, I might as well try to make a lot. This short description, because this is for the library, and because I'm not going to list the book in the library just yet, that doesn't mean I can't sell it. It just means it's not going to be listed, and so I'm going to leave these blank for right now. But you could easily come in here and make, some bold text, add a picture and whatnot. And so I'm going to save it. And here I'm shown my cover that I have, and so I can type some text here and make it white, to make it show up on this blue, and keep typing. So if I could make a title and make it big and bold and all that kind of stuff. Text is still white, so I gotta change it back to black. And I'm gonna copy and paste Edgar Allan Poe here, just to show you that you can copy and paste it and it'll keep all the same formatting. Here it's centered, it's to the right, it's gray. So all this came from Microsoft Word. So if you already have, and you've already done a little bit of design, this is already bold. It'll port over directly, and you can tweak it a little bit if you need to, but you may just be able to copy and paste it and not have to worry about it at all. Let's go ahead and fix some of this. Let's make this italic and underlined. And I could add a video if I wanted. Spell check this. This is kind of old English. And you can tweak it a little bit. Maybe this is too close to the top. There we go. Now this looks silly compared to Edgar Allan Poe. Just leave that blank, but we gotta move this back down a little bit. Okay, cool. So this looks good. There are all sorts of things you can add here: video, picture, maybe some hyperlinks if you wanted to, if you had maybe your website that you wanted to down here say, you know, for questions. And add a hyperlink. I'm just going to make it to Google. Okay, so that will link to Google now in your book, and you just click save up here. So after you've, you know, tweaked it and all that kind of stuff, you can save it. And you can always edit this later if you just want to kind of get the book out there a little bit. Because we're a live system, you can come in and make a spelling change or a design change, and instantly for all of your current readers, it'll be changed, and you won't have to send them a new copy or anything like that. So it's My Awesome Book. It's right here, and so it's selling right now. I could copy and paste this link here, direct sale, and send that to someone, via anything, via IM or an email or something like that, and it's going to take them to this page right here, and all they have to do is fill this stuff out and click purchase, and they'll be able to start reading the book instantly. And this $100 minus the transaction fee, which is typically like 3%, it'll be transferred directly into your PayPal account, and you can set that to link directly to your bank account, and so you could go to the 7-Eleven down the street and use the money that you just earned minutes ago from your book and buy chocolate milk or something. I don't know. But that's how easy it is for the system to work, and we've really spent a lot of time to make sure that anybody can use this. The editor here, you click edit book content and come back in here. Adding a video is easy. You can upload it to YouTube or Flickr or Yahoo Video, and use copy and paste into here, and then instantly you have a multimedia book, and you can't do that in print. That's one of the benefits of having an online book. Not only do you get to keep 99% of the profits from it as opposed to a print book, but you can make it and use the internet to its fullest extent by using all these sorts of multimedia options. But now I'm just babbling on. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is that you can take your book and complete it all the way through the end within just a couple of steps. I challenge you to try to find that in another system. But until next time, this is Robert. Thanks.